In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GIF to a product description on your Shopify store. This is a fantastic way to make your product pages more engaging and visually appealing for your customers. Adding dynamic content like a GIF can significantly enhance your customers' browsing experience by offering a more interactive look at your products. Now, let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, you should see a menu on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where you'll find all the different sections you can manage within your store. You're looking for the Products section, so go ahead and click on that. This is essentially the hub for all your product information, where each item you're selling is listed and managed. Once you're in the Products section, you'll see a list of all the products that you currently have on your store. Find the specific product to which you'd like to add a GIF. Click on the name of this product. This will open up the product page where you can edit various details about it, including its title, pricing, inventory, and of course, the description. Now, focus on the media section of the product page. Here you'll find images or videos that are already associated with your product, displayed as thumbnails. To add a new media file, look for a small plus button, or an option to add media. This button is often located either next to the existing thumbnails or nearby, easily identifiable for intuitive navigation. Click on the plus button. This action will prompt a dialog box or a window to appear, allowing you to select a file from your computer. Navigate through your files to find the GIF that you wish to upload. Ensure that the GIF is optimized for web use, meaning its file size isn't too large, as this can slow down your page load times. Also, make sure the content of the GIF is clear and relevant to the product, perhaps demonstrating its use, features, or benefits in a way that static images can't capture. Once you've located the GIF file, select it and then confirm your choice to upload it to your product page. The upload might take a few moments depending on the size of the file and your internet speed, so be patient here. Once the upload is complete, you'll see the GIF alongside the other media files for your product. It's always a good idea to preview your changes before saving them. Check to see how the GIF appears on your product page, ensuring it displays correctly and adds the desired effect. If everything looks good, don't forget to click Save to ensure your changes are applied before exiting the page. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a GIF to your product description, making your Shopify store a bit more lively. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!